Hi, I'm Cash. I'm the physiotherapist here at 1DZ. If you're having nagging around your back or you're having trouble with your knees, you're not alone. A lot of people become stuck and unsure as to what to do going forwards. This is where I come in. I take the time to understand your pain, when it has started, what brings it on, and what it is stopping you from doing. Everyone's story is different, and knowing that story helps me guide you in the right direction. We begin with a few easy movement checks. Nothing heavy or uncomfortable. These checks help me see what is causing the problem and how your body is responding. I talk you through it all, so you always know what we are looking for and why it matters. Then we move into the treatment, starting with calm, steady work to ease tension and help things settle. There's no rush with these movements, and you always know what is happening. After that, we'll start to build things back up. Simple movements that fit your week and make sense for how you feel. Clear guidance on what you can keep doing, what to ease off on a little, and how to stay active without making things worse. If you already train here at 1DZ, I can link your rehab into your usual routine so everything works together. With a clear plan and steady support, we can get you back to moving, training, and feeling confident in yourself again. Book a session with me here at 1DZ to get you feeling more confident in yourself.